part of Greenhouse Week, I'm going to be going on the Grassy Beach cycle track. This is a popular path that leads from the dock to the centre of Ferry. So far I've seen a lot of crows and bees and a lot of other birds such as curlews and oyster catchers live here. If we're lucky we might also see a heron. There are a few monuments along the way. This one is all about sea eagles. Sea eagles are Britain's largest bird of prey, and for a long time they were extinct in the UK. They were reintroduced late in the 20th century. Here we've got some information about Ferry Castle. I didn't know some of this. It is an art museum as well, and has some local history too. Okay. Come past the castle, and now we're going to be heading along Ferry Beach towards Barn Hill. We're going to be going past the rock gardens. So I'm now at the Ferry Local Nature Reserve. This is a small path that takes you through a small bit of woodland. See a lot of different animals and birds and insects that live here. Barnhill Rock Gardens. This area is a mixture of wild plants and planted flower beds. This area is a very valuable habitat for a lot of different birds and insects. If you come down to the rock gardens, picnics are welcome here, but it's important that if you do have a picnic, you pick up all your rubbish afterwards. You want to keep it nice and clean. And there's a lot of open space in the gardens, where most walkers that are able to go on grass should manage. There are also some smaller paths, such as this one, which take people up a little bit closer into the rock gardens. Now we're leaving the rock gardens and we're going to be heading along the coast into Barnhill and then on to Monifieth. We're now here at Mossy Beach. This one's a bit stonier than Ferry Beach. And this is where the Dighty or Dichty Burn is going to sea. So down to the beach there's this little bridge. I don't know if a wheelchair will be able to get over this. We have a ramp that if your wheelchair can go on sand, you might be able to get down onto the beach itself. This is into the Monifieth end. So something I really like about this track, there are a lot of little seating areas just off the path for you to come and sit on. Yellow bushes, I believe are horse bushes. They are really popular with bees and other pollinators. So if you're looking for lots of different insects, this is a good place to come. So this bit that's fenced off on the left here is planted to be a wildflower meadow. Just like what we've got growing up at the So here we found a bit of information about the wildflowers that have been planted in this area. Also has, if I zoom in, thank you. Also has information in green saying the months where you can expect to see those flowers. There's another bridge over the railway here, which is the end of this part of the track. So if you have a wheelchair and it can't get over the bridge back there, it might be able to get over this one and you can get down onto the beach this way. wood path there. So now we're at Monifieth Bay. This is a really valuable wildlife site for a lot of different birds. It has some information here. We've got curlews. Right now there'll be eider ducks, golden eyes and red-breasted mergansers, which you can also see up at the Stoswell Pond sometimes.